Hey, hi, hello, welcome back to my new video. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath Samfx YouTube channel, and this is Poco X3 custom ROM reviews. You guys already know this is the Pixel Experience 13, not Pixel Experience Plus. Here, this is the official Pixel Experience for Android 13. I mean, for Poco X3 based on Android 13. You can see here on the February security patch here, 5th February 2023, 4.14.190 LAUM. 9.1 is the kernel used here, and the build date you can see February 19th is the build date. And this is the typical home screen and app drawer you get, and this is the quick settings panel. It's fine compared to PixelOS. It's not as great as PixelOS, but still it's very good in my opinion. And you get this kind of apps, and I have installed certain apps here. And in the quick settings, let's go into edit and add these things: mic axis and camera axis, and even the location and dark theme. There is any no sync option is missing here. Okay, anyhow, let's turn off the location, and that's it. Okay, this is the dialer you get. Let me increase a little bit of volume, and this is the volume panel you get here. And you can see direct video call feature is available, and even the call recording feature is also available in this particular ROM. I haven't faced any issues regarding taking calls and speaking in the calls even with the speaker. That's fine in my opinion. And now moving into wallpapers and style, you get here plenty of wallpapers. Let's try this, how quickly it can download. I have 100 Mbps fiber connection here. You can see it's taking a little bit of time. For first time downloading this kind of wallpapers, it always takes a little bit of time here, guys. By the way, if you're first time to this channel, hit the subscribe button down below, guys, and also allow that bell notification. Whenever I upload a video, you'll get notified. And if you like the video, go ahead and like the video. This one isn't getting downloaded. It's taking too much of time. I don't know what's the problem here. And this one, everything is taking a little bit of time. That I can say here, a little bit of problem has been noticed here in terms of this, but it's a smaller bug. And wallpaper colors, you get these kind of colors, combination of colors, even the basic colors. Here also there are some combination colors based on the wallpaper you applied. And dark themed icon, it's beta, and app grid you get up to 5x5. This is how the grouped icon you get here, themed icons. And let's move into some of the benchmark results. Before that, I have took this Geekbench. You can see 735 is the single score, and multi score is 1823, and kernel used here is Linux 4.14.190 LAUM 9.1 R kernel has been used here. And this is the CPU throttling test. You can see the maximum was 193, average 183, and minimum of 166, and 92% of its max performance it is throttled the CPU, you can see, for last 15 minutes. And this is a 100 thread test, guys. I think this is very good ROM. And if I go into this one, charging rapidly, as you can see, 68%, it is supporting the 33 watt charging support in this particular Pixel Experience ROM, not the plus version. This is, and we'll see the benchmark is this. Also you can judge the app opening time here, 3,73,475. This is massive score for Poco X3 powering the Snapdragon 732G. And you can see the temperature rise was also very minimum, 0.7 degree Celsius. It is showing actually decrement, not increment in temperature, anyhow. And 1% of battery has been dropped during this entire testing, which is going to be a power efficient ROM. Yes, by seeing this graphs you can easily identify this is a very good power efficient ROM. And DRM information, what the thing you get in this particular ROM, you get level 1, yes, then you can watch all the OTT application in high definition resolution. That's not the problem in this ROM. Safety net status, what will be the status? It will get passed, yes, it get passed. You can watch all the, you can install any payment applications like Google Pay, Phone Pay, whatever you want to use, you can use those things. Now camera application, you get this kind of basic camera here. If you want, you can disable and install the Gcam port. Let me show you. Just go into app information and disable this app. If you don't want to use, just want to take some snaps, then it's okay. If you want like advanced user, then you can use this Gcam ports. You can take very good shots from this. Even video capability is also very good. This is the version of Gcam, Marnoble Gcam I always use in Poco XA/NFC. These are all the settings you get here. App settings, again it's a typical AOSP. This is OSS based ROM. And notifications, again you get all the options here. Enhanced notification also you can enable or disable from here. Battery usage, you haven't get any chart here. There's a pixel experience Android 13. Battery percentage you can enable or disable from here. Adaptive preferences are given. Performance mode is given here, which is new in my opinion. You can turn it on. I haven't done this and tested the Antutu. I would have seen this before, but it won't be much of a difference as of now. And sound and vibration, again you get a sound enhancer, direct sound settings, hi-fi audio and headphone type and preset, and also smart select scene is available. Clear speaker is given. The other settings you can see on the screen. Media you get it here. Adaptive sound, just enable that. And live caption, and even the haptic feedback strength hasn't given here. Yes. And let's go into display settings here. Brightness level, adaptive brightness, lock screen, again you get this kind of customizations, nothing fancy. And dark theme, again you won't get any pitch black theme here. Everything is very simple, clean and clean pixel experience you get here. Display size and text, if you want you can increase them. Night light, again you get intensity and even schedule options. Colors, you get 4 of the options here. I kept to saturated, auto rotate screen, you can enable or disable. Minimum maximum refresh rate kept to 120, and tap to wake is working fine. Refresh rate per app you can choose from here. Additional display features are also included here. I recommend not to use them while you are playing the games. It will drain your battery and make your device heat, not just warm, it will make heat. Accessibility menu, which is a handy feature, you always go into that and enable without actually using the physical buttons. You can just access the volume from here. Even the accessibility shortcut assistant, you can wake them. Power button, you can use them without even touching the power button also, you can access them. Recent apps, you can get it from here. And even quick settings, notifications, and even you can take the screenshot from this accessibility menu, which is a handy feature in Android 13 custom ROMs. You should definitely try them. Vibration and haptics, again you get in this option. Touch vibration haptic feedback, you can enable or disable, completely disable or check the intensity of it. System controls, the other settings has been given here. Audio adjustment, if you want the upper speaker to be dragged to left, if you want towards right, and make it according to what you like. Those things are fine here. Privacy settings, again those are the similar settings you get here. Nothing improved here in terms of visually. And system, if I go into gestures, again here also one-handed mode, which is working fine as you can see. And 3 finger to take screenshot is missing here. And quick tap actions, if you want you can enable them. Prevent ringing. And let's go into system navigation, into gesture navigation. There is only left right edge sensitivity. If you want low or high, customize from here. Swipe to invoke the assistant, if you want you can enable or disable from here. If you want to go back to 2 button 3 button navigation, you can do that from here. And the interface wise, it is very quick, responsive I can say, and it's the official build, and hence you can utilize this particular ROM. It's really smooth, I can say. I give slight edge to Pixel OS over this Pixel experience, but if you flash this ROM or that ROM, it will not make you that huge difference in my opinion. Let's go into BGM and check out how it handles and what all the graphics settings it gets. Typically you get the same smooth plus ultra graphics only, and HD and high. I recommend to play in smooth plus ultra. If you know how to enable the high FPS count, you can make it out smooth plus extreme also, or 90 FPS. Don't play in HDR or extreme like that. If you know how to enable, it might affect your smartphone battery and make it heat. And regarding gameplay, I don't know which game is going to be there for a long time. Some might get banned, some they themselves close the game. Currently the battle royale games aren't having good experience here. I really like New State, but in the custom ROMs it's going to be a difficult thing. Okay. I did not get a chance to kill anyone. Let's see. It is smooth. The experience in the UI is very good. Even while gaming also, it's very good. Okay, at least I got one kill. It is smoother comparing with 40 FPS. It's fine. Okay, I'll come back here, and this is the experience you get. Coming to fingerprint unlock, as you can see, it's quite easy to unlock your smartphone using that, and even the face unlock. Let me try to, yes, it is unlocking the smartphone using the face unlock is also very quick in my opinion. Now the Android 13 ROMs are very good, very capable in order to have it as a daily driver. And definitely if you want a pixel experience kind of ROM, you can either choose Pixel OS and Pixel experience. You get a lot more options now. You can choose whatever you want. That's I really liked it. And that's it guys in this video. We'll meet you with another interesting video. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.